Mother Nature. My mother told me times are changing, just like the weather, grounded in nature. With showers of rain, generous she is, manifesting change of earth's richest gain. Her open-minded charm, a flowing river, with plentiful wisdom, not wanting to do us harm. Nurturing mother, fertile environment, richness in harvest, abundance of grain. With a glass of wine, the toast is made to Mother Nature's grape of vines. Mother Nature's creativity, essence of life, conceived within the seed of nature's life. Mother Nature's wealth, abundance of food, nurturing health. The weather may change, but my mother told me, nature can never be tamed. So enjoy the harvest and expect the change, for it's not nice to fool with Mother Nature's reign.